Good morning, folks. We're just out with Casey here. Another mild day. Snow is still with us. This will be our second outing this morning. I can't do the morning videos. It's too dark. My camera is just not built for that. Doesn't operate well in the dark. There's a big thing going on right now online about your pets and protecting them against illnesses like Parvo, which oddly enough, 3 dogs in my neighborhood just last summer all got Parvo and passed away. I don't know if you know much about Parvo. P-A-R-V-A, I believe it's spelled, Parvo or Parvo dog illness. There is a vaccine for it, but there's so much controversy right now. It's going on about our pets and stuff like that. I mean, it kind of makes me nervous, really. What should I do? As you know, Canada has started, I'll say culling animals. Yeah, so lost animals, animal shelters, stuff like that. I don't think they're going to be housing the animals anymore. They're going to cull them, animals that aren't claimed in a certain amount of time. So that's a little bit over. I'm pretty sure they're doing it with other areas too. There's some sanctuaries out there that have also been subjected to the same thing as the ostrich farm in out west Canada. So there's a lot of stuff going on with pets right now in Canada. I mean, I'm just nervous. I mean, really, really nervous to take my pets to the vet. Don't know if everything he's getting is actually safe for him. Let me know in the